Welcome back to Motion Mix 350. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create this animated SUV motion poster in Canva. Open Canva and go to mobile video and create a blank canvas. After you've created a blank canvas, go to elements and in the elements section, scroll down to grids. Choose the first grid. And once you tap on this grid, it will lock automatically onto your canvas. Now that we have our grid logged onto our canvas, we can now go to Photos. In the search bar, type road, and you'll see different images of roads. You can choose whichever one you like to choose. As you can see, we've got pro ones and free ones, but I've decided to choose this cinematic dreamy one. Tap onto your image and bring your image onto your canvas. And then make sure that it's logged onto the grid. Now go to upload and bring your images onto your canvas. I've already uploaded my images from Google. Resize and position your image. Now make a duplication of the canvas and then go to elements. In the search bar, type light ray. A variety of light beams will appear. Put your light beam onto your canvas, resize it, and position your light beam. Now let's put some animations onto our light beam. In the toolbar, go to animate, and then scroll all the way down to neon. Tap on the neon animation, and then tap on enter. Now duplicate the sunbeam and put it on the right hand side of the headlight, so that we've got two light beams. Make another duplication of your canvas, but this time around on the other frame, remove your light beams. After you've removed the light beams, create another duplicate of the frame. Go back to the second frame, copy and paste your light beams to your last frame. We can now refine our animation by adding transitions in between our frames. Tap on the plus button, go to transitions, and then choose this match and move transition. And then increase the duration to 1.5. And then tap apply between all pages, which means the animation is going to apply between all the pages. Now let's reduce the duration of our frames to 2 seconds. Tap on the small clock in the toolbar, and then reduce your timing to 2 seconds. Or alternatively, you can write it here, 2.0. And then apply to all the pages. When you toggle on this button, it's going to apply to all the frames. We can now add some spice to our project. Go to audio, and when you get to audio, in the search bar, type car engine. As you can see, there's plenty of sound effects, but the one that's suitable for this project is car start idle off 22. Put your sound effect onto your timeline. And this is our final project. If you found value in this video, like, subscribe and comment. Until the next one, peace.